Hi friends, welcome to 5 Minutes Tech YouTube channel. Here is Vivo V29 Pro smartphone. In this video, you will learn how to open notification panel from lock screen itself. As of now, I lock my screen and from lock screen, I cannot open notification panel. Okay, if you would like to open notification panel from lock screen itself, yes, you can do it. What you have to do is go to settings of your phone first, then go to lock screen and wallpaper, and here click on lock screen settings and turn on this button open control center from the lock screen. Just turn on this button so that you can now even open notification panel from lock screen itself. This is lock screen. Okay, see here in the lock screen itself I can open notification panel. See here. So in this way you can easily open notification panel in the lock screen itself in your phone Vivo V29 Pro. That's all friends. Thanks for watching. Bye.